The TRYBERG TWM-180 Paywelder Machine is an innovative solution for the construction of trunk pipelines, for oil and gas pipelines, petrochemistry facilities, as well as water supply pipelines. The TWM-180 welding machine is designed for supply power for welders on rough terrains at heights of up to 3,000 meters. Compartment layout of TWM-180 allows to install up to 4 Lincoln DC400 or similar welding inverters in a set with a mobile feeder of LN23P self-shielding wire, intended for semi-automatic welding. TRYBERG Paywelders provide consistently high-quality weld seam, are lightweight, and their dimensions greatly reduce the transportation cost. The width of TRYBERG welding machines is 2,470 millimeters, allowing them to be transported on public roads without additional permits. Platforms for welding inverters are equipped with anti-vibration damper made of high-quality rubber. The waterproof electric cabinet is equipped with a digital display of current parameters, ventilation, and 380 and 220 volts external sockets. There is no longer any need to lift gas bottles manually. TRYBERG Paywelders are equipped with a hydraulic bottle lift. TWM-180 welding machines are equipped with 180 horsepower Cummins engines maintained under the Cummins Worldwide Guarantee Program. The single diesel propulsion engine for electric current generation and drive used in the TRYBERG welding machine reduces the range of consumables compared to twin-engine units and halves maintenance costs. The Cummins engine is unpretentious to fuel quality, which is 22% more economical than engines of other manufacturers. On the chassis of the TRYBERG welding machine there is a high-ab hydraulic crane manipulator with telescopic boom with a hook rope suspension, which is highly reliable and has a long service life. Now, a boom with lifting capacity of 4,000 kilograms and a lifting moment of 9 ton-meters. The maximum working radius is 7.8 meters. The crane is used for lifting and moving additional equipment: welding tents, internal clamps, induction heaters, and coating grinding machines. The sealed cabin is equipped with a heater and a fan. The air conditioner is optional. The cab windshield can be fully opened and serves as the emergency hatch for leaving the cabin in case of emergency. There are control keys and a current frequency display installed on the operator's working panel. The LCD panel, fully in English, displays the engine's operating parameters, pressure and temperature. The operator's workplace is equipped with a comfortable anti-vibration seat. Paywelder is very simple and intuitive to operate. The TRYBERG Paywelder is tracked and has the hydraulic drive system providing a smooth ride and increases overall safety. The hydraulic drive system is operated by the main hydraulic pump and hydraulic travel motors rotating the chassis track. Universal welding machines allow to reduce production costs by replacing a range of equipment: compressors, generators, welding and lifting equipment. All this is combined in one universal self-propelled Paywelder machine.